about to continue on with our Valentine's Day DIYs. Y'all, we are going to use this cute little lantern that I got from Goodwill for $9. We're going to use this cute drawer pull, this mirrored square. We're going to use these roses and heart, this little plastic heart, this hurricane glass. We're going to use these hearts, and all of this I got from Dollar Tree, except for this bling wrap, this wrap, and this knob, and the lantern. This I got from Dollar Tree as well, but I used the bling wrap to cover, so we are going to use that as well. So let's get started, y'all. The first thing we're going to do is take our this is old, y'all, from a previous project, but the good thing is it was already covering something square, obviously, but we're going to use it to go around the square, the mirrored square. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our lanterns are looking. They are so super cute. I love them to death. Y'all, I got some batteries in here, but they're not, new batteries. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this looks without the light on. And it's easy to, change the batteries out or whatever. But I absolutely love this. This makes a great, addition to any room that you are doing your Valentine's Day in. I think it is so cute. Okay, y'all. So if y'all like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs.